Hi boys and girls, this is Miss Jones at the Dalton Public Library. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a tissue paper flower. As you can see, I have some samples here. You can make them in a solid color or you can make multicolors. Okay, all you need to get started is 6 pieces of tissue paper, different colors or multicolor or the same color, whatever you prefer. You need some scissors, a little twisty tie that you can find on your bread or hot dog buns or whatever, and also some pipe cleaners. Okay, now that we have that together, we can get started. Okay, so what we're doing is taking the tissue paper and folding it, making sure you make a crease when you fold, and then you fold it back, and we're going to do this all the way to the end. You mash firmly so you'll have your crease. And the size would depend on how much paper, the length, and the width that you're using. You can make smaller flowers or you can make the larger flowers when you use more paper. Okay, we're coming to the end. Okay, now once we're done folding, we should have something that looks like this. Now at this point, we're going to take our twisty tie and put it in the center and fold it. And twist it. Now we should have something that looks like this. You can spread it out on both sides. Like that. Okay. Remember that it all started from this. Now we can put it back together because we have to make our little designs on the end for the petals of the flower. Now we're going to take our scissors, cut around, make it in a curve. Like that. And we're going to do this to both ends. Just cut it in a curve. Okay. Now, it's like this. It's like that with the little twisty tie. Now at this point, we can spread it out. Now that we have our twisty tie on, we can pick a pipe cleaner. I'm going to choose the green pipe cleaner. Now you take the pipe cleaner, because this is going to be used as your stem, and twist it around the flower. Just twist it. Twist it all the way to the end, because this is your stem of your flower. Now, you have it like this. Now we can start with the flower. You need to take each piece of paper, you have to be careful because you don't want to tear it. And you see each color. Okay, what we're doing is pulling each piece carefully and pull it toward the center where your twisty tie is. Like so. That's the yellow. The next color is the pink. Pull it forward. And you should have something that looks like this. Now I'll do one more. Just the blue. Remember, each time you pull the paper, you're pulling it toward the center. And you do this on both sides, on this side. Now once you're done, you should have something that looks like this. And here's my stem for this one. This will make a nice gift for your mom. And hope you enjoyed our show today. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.